Welcome back to our new video friends. Today we are going to talk about Redmi phone 10 setting guys, Redmi 10 phone setting, and today I'm going to tell about how to check Android version in Redmi 10 phone guys. How can you check? Today we will talk about in this video and I will tell you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. And so now let's start video friends. First of all, setting. After guys you can see about phone, so we will have to click, so we will click here, click on guys all spaces, and guys you can see Android version 11 RKQ 1. So guys, this setting you can check your Android version in Redmi 10 phone guys. I hope guys you like it. So before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, thank you for watching.